Hello? Hi, Minh Khôi. Hello? You are on mute. You unmute.
Hello,
Okay, hello. How are you?
I'm
You are okay? Are you okay? I see you. I see you. Okay. So, are you ready? Are you ready to start
yes.
our lesson? Okay. So, our topic is all about what is your room like? Can you read this one?
What is your room like?
Okay, so what is your room like? So we will talk about the furniture. Okay, when we say furniture,
Furniture.
yes, furniture, these are the things you see, big things you see in your house or in your room. Okay, so we will talk about furniture and rooms in your house. Okay, the different rooms in your house. Now, let us have a warm up. So this one is a dining room.
A dining room.
Okay, so look, this is a dining room. So a dining room this is where you eat, okay? This is where you eat your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. So this is a dining room. Another one is study.
Study.
Okay, look. So this is study. So this is where you review, you study. Okay, so this is where you have your tutoring class. Okay, so this is study. Now, how about this one? This one is?
Bedroom.
Okay, bedroom. Look, this is a bedroom. So this is where you sleep. Okay, this is where you sleep. This is where you rest. This is what we call bedroom. And this is living room.
Living room.
Okay, living room. This is where your family get
Yes.
together. This is where you watch TV. Okay, this is where you have conversations with your family. Now let's again practice this one. This is a
Bedroom.
Okay, this is a bedroom. Okay, now what can you say about the bedroom? What can you see in this bedroom? Can you describe it?
A bed.
There's a bed. Okay, what color is the bedroom? What color? This one, the walls and the floor. What color is this?
Brown.
Okay, it's color brown. So aside from bed, what do you see in the bedroom?
I see.
What is this? What do you call this one?
I see. I see.
You see? What do you see? What are this? These are called this one. Do you know what it's called? What is it? What it is?
I don't know.
Okay, this is what we call pillow. 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 Okay, so this is where your head. This is where you rest your head when you sleep. Okay, and this one, what is this? This one. This is a. What do you think this is? It's covering the window. What? What is this? What? I cannot hear you. Do you know what we call this? It starts with letter C. Any idea? This is a. Okay, I'll tell you. This is a curtain. Curtain. Okay, so this is the spelling of curtain, okay? Curtain. This is a curtain. And this one is pillow. So since there are how many pillows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pillow. So we will put S. Pillows, okay? So now let's go to the next room. This is
Living room.
okay, living room. Now, what can you say about the living room? Can you describe the living room here?
Chairs, a table.
Okay, there are tables and chairs, and then what is this? Do you know what this is? What we call this? This is a
Plant.
okay, this is a plant. Okay, that is correct. So how about this one? What is this? This in the ceiling. This is called
This is a light.
okay, this is light. So since this light has the signs, so this is called chandelier. Okay, this is what we called chandelier. Chandelier, okay? This is chandelier. Like, there are many designs, okay? This is what we called chandelier, okay? Now, okay, now let's go to the next room. This is a do you remember this one? This is where you review. You do your homework. Do you have this one in your room? Do you have this one?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, so this is what we call study room.
Study room.
Okay, now what can you see in the study room?
A laptop.
Yes, a laptop or a computer.
Light. A picture in the chair.
Okay, a big chair.
A table.
A headphone. What is this? Do you know this one?
Picture.
Okay, a picture. And this one, what is this? This one. What do you call this one? Okay.
Light.
A light or a lamp? So what is this? This one. This is small.
Glasses.
Okay, eyeglasses. So this is, okay, so this is what we call study. Okay, study. Now
Okay.
next, okay, this is what we call this one. It's room. This is a
Living room.
yes, this is a living room. So look, there is a couch or a sofa. There is a table. Yes, and there is a window. Look, there is a window. And there is a reflection of this one. So I think this building is an apartment. Look, there is this reflection. Okay, now let's go to the next vocabularies. So this is what we called bed. Can you say it? This is a bed.
Bed.
Okay, look. This is a bed. Okay, so a bed is in the bedroom. Now, how about this one? This is a couch. Can you repeat it? Couch.
Yeah.
Okay, so look, this is a couch. This is where you sit. Usually, commonly, we can see this in the living room. Okay, again, this is a couch.
Okay.
Okay, a couch. And this one, this is a desk. This one. Okay, this is a desk. This is where you put your laptop, your books, and this is where you write. Okay, where you write and where you read. This is a desk. Now, how about this one? This is a, what is this? Any idea? This is a, what? This is a chair. Chair.
Chair.
Okay, again, this is what? What is this? Boy, what is this?
Chair.
What? Can you say it aloud?
This is a chair.
No, this one, this picture,
Desk.
this one. Okay, this is a desk, and this one is a
Chair.
okay, very good. This is a chair. Now this is what we call table. Okay, table. This is where you eat. Okay, where you eat, and commonly this table is seen in the dining room. Now this one, what is this? What is this? This one.
TV.
Okay, TV or television. Okay, so television, this is an entertainment appliances where we can watch movies or TV shows. And we usually see it in a living room. Now, how about this one? This is a, okay, this is a light. So we can see a light in all parts of the house. Okay, now how about this one? We call this closet. Can you say it? Closet.
Yes.
Okay, closet. So, closet, this is a furniture where you can put your clothes. Okay, your clothes. This one, your formal clothes, so that it will be in order. Okay, this is what we call closet. Again, this is, can you repeat this one? Closet. Can you say it?
Closet.
Okay, closet with letter T. Okay, T in the end. Closet. Okay,
Closet.
closet. Very good. Now, how about this one? This is what we called dresser. Dresser.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
dresser. So dresser comes from the word dress. Okay, so this is where you also put your clothes. Okay, clothes, dresser. Usually, this is where your clothes, where the clothes you use in your house. Okay, this is where you put your clothes in the dresser. And this one, look, the dress or the clothes, these are what you use when you go outside. Okay, look, this is formal dress or formal clothes. So this is a closet, and this one is a dresser. Okay, so a dresser is a cabinet. Look, there is a cabinet here, cabinet. This one. There are drawers. Drawers. These are drawers. Okay? That is the difference between closet and a dresser. Okay? Don't forget that. Now, how about this one? This is a coffee table. Can you repeat it? Coffee. Can I give some energy? This is a coffee table.
Coffee table.
Okay, look. This is a coffee table. Mostly, we can see it in a living room where you have your coffee. This is also called coffee table. Okay, now how about this one? This is a house plant. Can you say it? House plant.
House plant.
Okay, look. So this is a plant where you can put inside your house. So this is a house plant. House plant. And this one last. This is a painting. Look, this is a painting. Okay, so this is where you usually put it in a wall. Now let's have some exercise. Okay, again, let us have some review. Again, this is a what is this? This is where you sleep. This is what? What do you call this? This is where you are right now. What do you call this one?
A bed.
Yes, this is a bed. Okay, this is a bed. How about this one? What is this?
A sofa.
What is this? What do you call this? What is this? You remember? What do you call this one? This is a...
This is I don't know.
This is a couch. Couch. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it properly? Can you see it properly? Okay, again, this is a couch. Don't forget this one. Couch.
Couch.
Okay, so this one, what is this? This is a... What is this? This one.
I don't know.
This is a desk.
This
Okay, this is a desk. And this one, what is this?
is here.
What? This is a?
Here.
Oh, this is a chair. And this one, what is this?
Table.
Okay, this is a table. And this one, what is this?
TV.
This is a TV. This one, this is a?
Light.
Okay, this is a light. This one, what is this?
Clothes.
Closet. This is a
Clothes.
closet. Okay, and this one? This is a?
There's
Dresser. Dresser. Okay. And this one, what is this? What do you call this one? What do you think is this? This is a. These are two words composed of two words.
a coffee table.
Yes, very good. It is a coffee table. And this one, this is a. What is this?
Uh,
House, that is correct. House.
plants.
House plant. Okay. And this one last, what is this?
Painting.
Okay, painting. Now let's have some example by filling in the blanks. Okay, so this one is, okay, you figured it out. What is this? Now I will ask you, what do you have in your bedroom? Can you read this one with your answer? I have a, what do you have in your bedroom? I have a, what is this? What do you call this one? What do you call this one? I have a,
No.
oh, you forgot this one? This is what we call desk. Desk.
But
Okay? So can you read this one with the correct word?
I have a desk.
Okay, I have a desk. So what do you have in your bedroom? I have a desk. Now let's have another one. What do you have in your living room? This is the
I have a
answer.
lot.
I have a,
I have a lot.
okay, can you read this one first and then your answer? Can you read this one, please? I have a,
I have a TV and a lot.
what? What is this? This is a couch. Couch. Okay, couch. Now this one. This is the picture.
Sure.
So, what do you have in your bedroom?
I have a bed and a
What?
I have a bed and a lawn.
What? What is that? This is a, what do you call this one? What do you call this?
Uh,
I'll give you time to think. What is this? If you remember. This is where your clothes or dress being stored or being put, being kept.
La.
What? This is okay, there is the root word there. Dress. What is this? Dress?
Yes.
Dress what? Dresser.
Yes.
Okay, dresser. Now, how about this one? What do you have in your living room? This is the picture. And can you read this one? Can you sit? Can you sit, please? Can you sit? I know you are tired, but please can you sit? What is this? I have
a table.
what kind of table? What kind of table is this? This one. What kind of table?
Coffee officer.
Okay, coffee table. So I have can you complete this one?
I have a cushion and a coffee table.
Okay, coffee table. Okay, now let's have some review. Okay, what is this? What is this again? This is what do you call this one? You remember? What is this? Do you remember this one? What is this? Do you remember this one?
This.
Okay, so this is a dresser, okay?
Yes.
So, okay, dresser. So, on Saturday. So, on Saturday, we will repeat this. We will repeat this topic, okay? So that you will be able to master and remember this topic, okay? So, thank you,
Yes.
Koy. Have a good rest now because I guess you are tired already. So, see you on Saturday. Okay, goodbye.
Very good.